Thanks for watching this Fill-Rite Minute. Today we are going to take a closer look at the Fill-Rite FR4211 series DC pumps. The 4200 series is engineered to provide up to 20 gallons per minute of flow and operate on 12-volt DC power, making it ideal for stationary bulk tanks or truck bed mounted skid tanks. The higher flow rates allow you to fuel even the largest construction or agricultural equipment quickly and safely. What gives the 4200 series its power is the heavy-duty UL/CUL listed 1/4 horsepower motor that drives an iron rotor and sintered bronze vanes. This motor also carries ATEX, CE, and other regulatory certifications. The explosion-proof cast iron housing features an internal bypass so the pump can run even with the nozzle closed, and the 30-minute duty cycle means you can pump up to 600 gallons at a time. Installation is a breeze with the 2-inch standard bung adapter. It also includes a strainer screen to keep fluid entering the pump free of debris from the tank, and is padlockable for safety and security. Add a meter, hose, nozzle, and more to your 4200 series pump to customize it to your needs, or buy a prepackaged system to match pump and components in a ready-to-use configuration. Heavy-duty 4200 series pumps from Fill-Rite carry a 2-year warranty and are 100% made in the USA, so you know they are built to perform and to last. Need high flow rates in a rugged mobile pump? Look no further than the 4200 series from Fill-Rite.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.